Do you know that faithfulness is the key to a fruitful life? Amen. Na kung bakit pala may mga unproductive person or hindi sila fruitful sa buhay nila is because they are not faithful to what has been given unto them. Kaya tayo, ano man ang meron natin, matutunan nating maging matapat at mapagkakatiwalaan. And I know as a young person, sometimes we get to be ambitious, gusto natin makuha lahat ng privileges and blessings, promotion, favors in life. But the key and the first step that we need to do is to be faithful where you are. Kung nasan ka, ano yung pinagkatiwala at binigay sa'yo, be faithful to that.